Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Visual Studio Code or VS Code in Windows 11 or Windows 10 also. So let's continue. For that, you have to open any browser and then search for download VS Code for Windows. And if you search for that, you can see the first result is itself VS Code. So just click on that, and once you click on that, it will open the VS Code official website, and here you can get all the operating system versions. So since we are going to install for Windows, so we will go with the Windows one and just click on this Windows. So it will download the installer for you. So now you can see it is saying thanks for downloading VS Code. So in some time it will start. Yeah, now it started the downloading. So wait for it to get the downloading completed, then we can start the installation. Now, as you can see, the download has been completed successfully. So if it is not showing here in the Chrome, you can go to your downloads folder also here, and then you can see it should be available there. So just double click this to start the installation. So once you double click, it will ask for some permission. So just accept it. I accept the agreement, and then click on next. And here you can select the location where you wanted to install it. So better you should keep it as default only, and then click on next. So now it is asking for some name. So just keep the name as Visual Studio Code and then click on next. And here, if you wanted to select, like, create a desktop icon, like if you wanted the icon to be available in the desktop, like here, then you can select this one, create a desktop icon. And you can select this add open with code action to Windows Explorer also. So you can select this, or it is optional for you. So if you want, you can select this, and you can register the code as an editor for default file types. So if you wanted to open like for some file you wanted to open through the VS Code only, if you wanted to set that as a default type, then you can select it. And also you better it you should add it to the path variable also. So just click on all these things and then click on next. Once you click on next, it gives you an options to like install it. So just click on install, then it will start the installation. So let it install also, and I hope yeah, I think it is completed now. So now you can see the Visual Studio icon is also available in our desktop. So we can directly double click this to start your VS Code. So I'm just finishing it, and then it will start the VS Code. So as you can see, I already have some open files. So I'm just closing all the files, and I'm just opening a new window better, so that I can. So yeah, so it will open like this. So here you can create a new file and do something, or you can open any file and then use this VS Code. So here you can see there are multiple options. So this is file option, this is search option. So you can search anything in your project using this. This is Git option. So here using this, you can use your GitHub commands to like push or pull or commit anything in your projects. Similarly, we have a debug option. So these things are available in here. And also we have extensions. So we can install some extensions. There are well-known extensions also, like git lens and ESLint. So as per your requirement, you can install the extensions here in VS Code and utilize them. So there are a lot of options in the VS Code. You can use them once you install it correctly. So that's all for today, and thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.